Let's see today Leetcode 1464 maximum product of two elements in an array. So in this question we have to find the two maximum elements from this array. So it's 4 and 5 and we have to subtract them by 1. So it becomes 3, 4. Multiply them, return 12. So it's a very easy question, and what makes it even easier is the constraint that there will be no negative numbers. So what we have to do is simply find the maximum and the second maximum, subtract them by 1 and multiply them. It's a very easy question, so I'll directly jump onto the code. So I'm using two variables, num1 and num2. I'll store the maximum in num1, second maximum in num2. I'll traverse the array. Whenever I find that element is bigger than num1, I'll firstly assign the second maximum with the maximum that I had found till now, and I'll assign the num1 with the current maximum that I am finding just now. And if I am finding a number which is not bigger than the maximum but it's bigger than the second maximum, so I'll assign that number to num2 and return them by subtracting -1. The time complexity of this code is big O of n, space complexity is big O of 1. Code is available on the pinned comment.